Hello everyone, let's go to the 125th example. Create a program that reads the number of rows, columns, and values of an array, allocating dynamics. Next, show the smallest and the largest value you typed, as well as the row and the column in which you enter are. So, let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, I am including two libraries, the stio.h and the stdlib.h, which allow us to use functions such as printf, scanf, and malloc for allocate memory from the computer. Malloc, memory allocating. So, first of all, I am including a matrix, pointer of pointer matrix, a pointer and a pointer. So in a pointer we will have a other pointer, and int I, j, rows, columns, b and l. The biggest rows, the biggest column, the lowest row and the lowest column. So let's go. The printf, enter the amount of rows and columns. Scanf, rows and columns. Here I am allocating the memory for the rows of the matrix. Mat is equal to pointer of pointer malloc rows times size of integer pointer. This is the key, integer pointer, because we will set a pointer for each row. Here I am testing if the computer gives to us the necessary memory. If mat is equal to null, exit 1, exit with error. Here I am allocating the memory for the columns of the matrix. The I has to be equal to 0, the I has to be lower than the rows, the columns here, and every time this for loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 1. The mat in the position I will be equal to integer pointer malloc column times size of int. And here I am testing if the computer gives to us the necessary memory for this place, for this column. If it is not, we will exit with an error. Reading the input. Here I have the same parameters of the last for I and for j, and just an scanf %d in the place mat I and j. The biggest and the lowest will be equal to the mat in the position 0, 0. And this for loop has the same parameters of the last one, and if the b is lower than the mat I and j, so if the biggest is lower than the current value that we are seeing in the matrix, the b will be equal to the current value. The b rows, the biggest rows will be equal to I, and the biggest column will be equal to j. And here the same for the lowest. If the lowest is bigger than the current value, we will storage the lowest as the current value, the lowest rows in the position I, and the lowest column in the position j. This printf is just to print the biggest value and position in the matrix are that, and the same for the lowest and here we are free the memory allocated with the same parameters, free mat of the columns and free the mat of the lines of the matrix. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. Here I am recompiling the program, so this error, for example, 33, it's call, not calls. I'm recompiling because I changed some things, for example, this one. And let's see if it is run. Enter the amount of rows and columns. 3 by 3. Here is the reading. Okay, now is the reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the biggest value and the position in the matrix are 2, 2. as you can see, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2 is the number 9, and the 0, 0 is the first position. So the program is running, and thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.